This is Ravenhaus, a 3-bedroom luxury cabin in Hocking Hills, Ohio that is gorgeous inside and out. Let's take a full tour. The Ravenhaus cabin is beautiful. We're 5 minutes from Hocking Hills State Park, so there's lots of adventure to be had. And then the property itself is just in a lush forest. And not only is there this cabin, but we just stayed in the Nest, which is their smaller honeymoon cabin that is just as pretty. Very different experience as it's made for more of an intimate setting, but Ravenhaus is larger, so you can have more people, you can bring together some friends and family, and this down here is probably my favorite part of the cabin. I love that they stretched the property a little bit. They could have put this fire pit up right in front of the cabin, but bringing it down here allows you to enjoy more of the beauty of the property itself. They've got some string lights up here, multiple chairs and stumps to sit around and enjoy the fire. It's just so relaxing out here.
Up at the house, the deck has a grill, outdoor dining table that's huge, so you can have a whole big family meal outside, as well as some comfortable seating. And below that, they have a patio, which has a hot tub, which we're always excited to slip into. And then there's another seating area, plus some cornhole boards, so you can have some fun outside.
Now, let's go inside and check out the rest of the cabin. Before we jump into the tour of the inside, we're doing something new with our videos. We want to learn more about you, our viewers. So we're asking a unique question in every video. And so this is to learn more about you and your story. So Nikki, what is our question for this video?
So here at Rewilds, there are 2 different Airbnbs. There's this, the Ravenhaus, and there's also the Nest, which is more of a honeymoon suite. So we want to know, which one would you stay in and who would you bring? So if you haven't seen the Nest, go check out that video and come back and comment. Let us know the answer to that question. Coming inside, you walk into this open space that has both the living room and kitchen area with some of my favorite decor. This living room has a comfortable leather L couch. Across from it is some additional seating, as well as a gas fireplace that extends all the way to the ceiling with some beautiful gray stone. They also have a little built-in bench off to one side, and on the other side they have this elk skull and antlers mounted on the wall that makes this side of the room just stunning. Plus a beautiful chandelier right above us. And then behind us is tried and true my favorite kitchen that we've seen. It has green cabinets, black countertops, floating shelves that are decorated beautifully with both functional pieces and fun art. Amy has really outdone herself with this kitchen. They've got some stainless steel appliances, and the island doubles as a little dining space as well, because they've got some chairs. And then they also provide some fun amenities like coffee, and they've got a little cart that you can make cocktails on. So it's a really fun space in here. And then on this side of the wall, they've got some windows as well as access to the top deck.
And then right down the hall, the first door on your right is a full bathroom with a beautiful shower with some green tile. I love that Amy works in green into these properties. It's just stunning. The vanity with the white granite countertop and the large sink. It's a beautiful bathroom. And then right next to it is your first bedroom with a queen bed and a couple of large windows to let in some of that natural light. And then across from it would probably be the master bedroom. It also has a queen bed and a vaulted ceiling with a beautiful chandelier, access out onto the front deck, and then another gorgeous bathroom with lots of white tile and a black countertop for that vanity. All of it together is just stunning. Just like Nikki said, it's one of our favorites in terms of style and decor. Just very much of a place that we would like our own home to look like one day.
Yeah, super comfortable and beautiful at the same time.
Yeah. Now let's go downstairs. Downstairs is probably the most fun area of Ravenhaus. To my left is another little living room that's kind of like a movie theater room.
Yes.
You've got a giant flat screen TV up on the wall and a little shelf underneath with some games. And then right across from it is a beautiful L couch. And then again, just those design and decor elements that we love. They feel cozy, but also luxurious at the same time. And then back behind me is a giant table that doubles as a dining table, maybe a game table, but the biggest thing is the fact that it's a ping pong table.
Yes.
So we will definitely be playing that.
A little competition.
Yes. And then we've got some sliding glass doors that lead right out onto that lower patio that we talked about earlier with the hot tub and seating area.
Yes, and there's a couple more things down here, including a laundry room, which we always appreciate, as well as a bedroom with 4 bunk beds that are built in with a stunning green color and decorated so well. And then across from that is a full bath with a double vanity to help with the extra guests or kiddos that you would bring along with you, with a large shower and beautiful tile there as well.
This is the perfect spot for a nice little getaway with family and friends. We'll leave a link to Ravenhaus in the description below, as well as a link to the Nest, their other little cabin on this property, in the description as well. Be sure to comment down below answering that question that we asked about earlier. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and if you're a host of a unique or amazing Airbnb that you want us to feature, you can go to journeymore.com and fill out that contact form. But now, we're gonna play some ping pong.
Okay guys, so Hayden just whipped my tail in a little bit of ping pong, and now we're gonna play some bags. We're gonna go for 21 points, so there's a lot of room for success, but also a ton of room for error. I'm a little bit nervous. If you're really good at bags, send your energy through the screen to me. I need it.
First thing, it's cornhole, not bags. But I think that this one might go in my favor as well. But I guess we'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh, it's 8 to 10.
And I can't go above 11.
Can't go above 11.
Okay.
So if you put it in the hole on the first one,
Yeah.
you're done so. Okay, so you win right now.
I know.
If I don't get anything. Oh no! Oh no!
Yay!
That was good, that was good.
Yes!
Way to go, babe.
Thank you.
All right, let's go inside.
So for dinner, Hayden and I are gonna have a little bit of butter chicken from Sam. So we've never had this before, and we'll have to tell you how good it is.
It is pretty good.
Yeah.
For just a store-bought, pre-made butter chicken.
It'll scratch that itch. We love Indian food. We like to try all the different Indian restaurants in different towns that we visit. So if you have a favorite Indian restaurant where you are, let us know the name of it and what town you're in.
And if we're in that town, we will come try it out.
Mornings at Ravenhaus are sweet bliss, and to continue the relaxation, we are gonna go down below to the hot tub, and I'm really excited.
Ravenhaus is truly an amazing getaway. We are so thankful to have worked with Amy to shoot not only this cabin, but their other cabin, the Nest. If you want to book either one, we'll leave a link in the description below. Be sure to comment which one you would rather stay at and who you would stay there with. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.